Another new arrival is the 1966 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. This one's really a very original example. It's got the broadcast sheet and the window sticker, correct 273 cubic inch 2-barrel V8, and a correct A904 automatic transmission. This thing is really cool, and it's really an honest car that, not a lot of monkeying around with over the years.
Beautiful.
So.
Had one in my neighborhood when I was a kid. I used to walk by it and I thought, wow, that back window is so
back window was so cool.
Something different.
I bet today to replace that would not be cheap.
Well, yeah. Classic windows
custom.
in general
Yeah,
are
custom it would have to be.
Yep.